High above the Atlantic, there's a trail that feels like walking on the spine of a sleeping dragon. Madeira's Pico do Arieiro to Pico Ruivo, the hike everyone whispers about. It's more than a hike. It's a journey through cloud kingdoms, where silence lives between peaks and the Atlantic roars far below. Some places feel like the edge of the world, where the ocean swallows the sky and the earth rises to meet it. The path climbs, drops, twists through tunnels of rock, stairs that feel endless, but every breathless moment pulls you closer to the top. And then, the summit, the highest point in Madeira. Nothing but ocean, sky, and silence. A place where words fall short. Every step is a reminder of how small we are, and how enormous the world can feel. This is hiking at its purest, breathtaking, humbling, unforgettable. It's a journey through cloud kingdoms and knife-edge ridges, where every turn makes you stop, stare, and wonder if the world really looks like this. Pico do Arieiro to Pico Ruivo, where the earth meets the clouds. One day, you have to see it for yourself.